it. We are emotional. We are not focused. I'm telling you honestly. Igbo people are the hardest people to deal with. Because they listen to gossips. They don't allow reason. How can you read? Okay, the Directorate of States yesterday, they came on air and spoke and confirmed that the sit at home continues. Now today they are reading. You see people say no, it's in the Nigerian newspaper. Then okay, it's in the Nigerian newspaper. That is where you get your authentic information concerning IPOB, right? Can you clap yourself? Call for yourself. Why do we preach here? For reason. That is why we spend our time here preaching. Sometimes I cool down in my quiet time. I say, now this thing we are doing, whether it is entering or are we pouring water on stone? Why our people cannot subject everything to reason? Our people should subject things to reason. Why is it canon that come to tell you that IPOB will have sit at home? Why should you listen to somebody when he speaks? Listen. Do you know that Mandela had brothers and sisters? Do you know that? Have you heard about them before? Intermingling in the ANC movement. Our people, I'm telling you, I suppose they want Konuche. Azikiwe, okay, he is one of the people that fought for the flag independence of Nigeria. What about his brothers and sisters? Are they in the limelight during the NCNC? Do you hear about them openly like that? Freedom fighting, it's a gift. Once God is using you, it's not something you transfer to your brother or your sister. No. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has said it myriads of times without number. The DOS, they are the leadership of this struggle. After the scrapping of deputy director. Now, why should people be giving credence to the propaganda? You know, our leader said something. Hey, let us go to war. Hey, give us gun. So say, can you handle war? It's not only bombing and shooting gun. Can you handle propaganda? Now I'm seeing, you know what our leader said, I'm seeing it, kuro. You see even principal officers being confused. Sometimes it breaks my understanding. People that should know more, they become confused. Due to one little propaganda, they become confused. You see them yapping. People that should know more, you see them yapping. Sometimes I say, which kind of God that created these people? Which kind of God that created us? One way or the other, you know, you think that you are talking to people. Under the next second, another thing will come and distract everybody, and you start pursuing shadow. This is really pathetic, the way we in our lives. Are you reading? So now, information concerning IPOB now, or the administration of IPOB. So now it is the Zone newspaper, the Zone media, or it is a Kanonta that used to bring it out. Sometimes I become mad. You see, our leader is a strong person. Dealing with us. He's a very strong person. I remark what Mazia Nayo from Finland said the other day. He said even why is our leader even wasting his time coming to 7 Debo? Why is he wasting his time? You will say something today, under 1 second, another person will come and disfigure their brain, and they start asking, everywhere. And you said, are these the people that are really trying to agitate for their nation? Sometimes I cannot understand. Kwame Nkrumah, have you heard about his brother? The limelight? Kwame Nkrumah. I'm giving you examples. Huh? What about Fidel Castro? Is he not after how many years that when he wants to die, that you know about his brother that became the president. Later on, during the struggle, do you know whether he has a brother or not? Do you know that? Our people, I get issue, honestly. There are some things you reason with your own initiative. Let me tell you one thing. Do you know that this sit at home is more potent than even shooting gun? Do you know that? That is why the zoo is trying, the Nigerian government is trying any way in order to scrap it, to make us confused and scrap it, because it will touch them more than killing even 10,000 of their police and their military. Don't you know that? You kill their police, they can replace them, because Nigeria have no respect to lives. And there are people that are ready to come to replace those that are dead. Their families are abandoned. The police families, dead police families, those dead military families, they are abandoned to their own. That is Nigeria for you. But when it comes to economics, that is where they start anything that touches their finance, the source of their income. My brother, they don't joke with it. That is why they are fighting tooth and nail in order to confuse people by using one person or the other, giving out fake information in the name of IPOB. Who made the canon to be the IPOB spokesperson? Who made him? For goodness sake, who made him? This is sometimes people, you accept insult. You accept insult. I'm telling you, because you insult yourselves. Do you know what IPOB is? It's a global movement. The most populous global movement for now, by none. If our leader is saying it, you think it's exaggeration. No, it is not. And somebody will just come out of it because I'm the brother of Martin Amdeka. No, it is not so. We have a structure which is put in place by our leader. It is him. You know, had it been, he deemed it necessary for one of his brothers to be his predecessor. You know, now he would have been saying it, that after anything, listen to this person. But what has he been telling you? Is it not HOD? I mean, a Directorate of States? Sometimes we behave like, many of us behave like babies. You can deceive them with any slightest thing. You know, I see that it's people that are looking for one excuse or the other. Now, you know, they are looking for excuses. So anything, because you want something. You are not rigid. You know, there are some trees that they don't have tap roots. Even with a small tempest, they can just fall, because there is no taproot that goes right down deep inside the soil. That is how many of us are. Biafra, this and that. I got one day. I get menka. Just ordinary propaganda you cannot handle. You be don't query. Now what now what Biafra? You are not even supposed to be. You are not called. You understand? You are not called. That is the reality. Because once you are called, no matter what, the wind, I mean, tempest will go on, hurricane will go on, everything will go. But you know, a proper that is how those that are called. You will not be confused. But many of us are confused because they want to be confused. I have asked you, can you name the brother of Mazin Azikiwe? What of Tafawa Balewa? Do you think they don't have brothers or sisters? Do you think they don't have? People that have, what of Che Guevara? You don't have brother? What of the Cuban revolutionists, Fidel Castro? His brother is only of late you heard about his brother. During the struggle, there is nothing like brother or sister. Everybody, what the focus is the target, and that is what we are doing. The structure is there. It's not you. People should remove this useless sentiment that is putting us into problem. Being emotional like animals, like a dog that thinks aloud. He cannot handle his emotion. Hey, now remove it from this struggle, please. There is nothing like that. There is nothing like that, I say. My daughter will go NECO exam. But what of those that have died? You know, before their death, many of them say, okay, they had appointments, life appointments. Some of them had exams. Some of all these boys and girls that are being cut down because of this struggle, slaughtered and massacred. Many of them had exams that they should take maybe in the next 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month or 1 year. Don't you see that? But they are no more. Your own, you can postpone your own to next year, your daughter's own to next year. But what of those that have died? They are no more. They don't know the pains that their siblings are going through. I can't honestly. Sometimes you make it. You know, there's one time our leader said, "Nah, there's no men again." In short, he said this because he's frustrated. The same way Moses was frustrated, and he had to even tear or throw down the commandment, the stone, and broke into pieces because of the annoyance he had for the people. He said, so those people cannot organize themselves and be people and believe and continue being focused. No. Anything they see, they pursue it. Aaron, I beg, make us our God, the one we see. It is the character of our people. It is we, our people, that are being described. Every time I'm saying this, we should make more research. It is us that have been described in those places, because that is our pure character. Nothing they happen, nothing mega. And where's nothing they just the talk, nothing they happen. You continue being a slave. You prefer that. Oh God, you are informant as far as exactly that is the character. No focus. That is why we are suffering. It's the main source of our suffering today. Because our people are not focused. Anything can distract them. Ordinary propaganda can put them off balance. Yesterday was clearly spoken by the deputy HOD, Mazin Zumike, and others. Last week was our HOD, head of directorate, Mazichike Dosium, here on this platform. And today you are reading on Zoom newspaper. No, it's suspended. So if it is suspended, it is the Zoom newspaper that will tell you, right? It is them that will inform. Continue listening there now. And sometimes, sometimes our people will make you to speak against the Holy Spirit. Honestly, you see people that are supposed to know, they say, "Oh, they are confused." How many times is the Nigerian news giving you information about IPOB? How many times? How many times? God Almighty, God. Our sit at home tomorrow holds. Any person that is telling you contrary is an agent of evil, and we will deal with that person. Honestly, it is not a hidden thing. There is nothing like a brother or sister in a freedom fighting. It is never done. We are not going to be the first or the last. It is not done. Do you understand? Let us face the reality. Somebody that was a brother is inside the dungeon, languishing. Even normally he's supposed to be underground, going underground, doing one thing or the other in order to make his elder brother come out, even as a brother. But all is going, hey, want to do this. Doesn't that make you, calculative as a human being? Doesn't that make you to calculate as a human being? Doesn't that? Only that. That is why we preach here common sense. So common sense is sometimes you process information in a reasonable manner. You allow reason to take its course. You allow reason to be sovereign, the sovereignty of reason. That is it. Don't associate reasoning with sentiments. Don't associate reason with emotion. That is how normal human beings should behave. And that is what we have been propagating here. For you to be reasonable without attaching your reasonability to either frustration or madness or annoyance or sentiments, emotion. You remove all these things, allow reason to stand solitary. Now you